sir. Let's go. That just woke me up. Keep me in the boat. I don't even have my net ready. I was going to try and do that. Keep this guy in the boat. Out of my boot. Alright, go the Joker. Got him from underneath my boot. Good thing he didn't give me too much of a hard time. Actually, he was pretty lethargic. After I turned off the camera, I just had to figure out how I was actually going to get him. I wound up just getting a nice handful of them and kind of just threw them in my net. And because unfortunately my net handle was underneath one of my heels at the time, so access to it would have been difficult, and I didn't want to get frustrated or, you know, didn't want to lose this guy. So good day, good start so far. I don't know if you guys see my dad, but he's on the other side, and he said he already had a hit as well, so pretty good start. Another one on the loose. That's how I did it last time too, pretty much. Awesome. Center mass. Alright, second one. I'll take that. I'll take that. There you go. So I'm chasing it. Let's go. Put the grip on. Cool. How's it going, everybody? Just want to fill you in on our day. Me and my dad had a good time out on the kayaks. But yeah, I started off with some action. I caught the pickerel pretty immediately. It was pretty cool. We had gotten there and realized that the water level was really high. Past couple times we've been there, the water was super low. We don't really know if they drained it. But after, you know, the past couple of days with the rain and just everything collecting, I think it paid off for us. I caught those 3 pickerel and it was really nice. I threw around the swim dinger quite a bit after that, and I didn't really have too much action. And my dad, I think he was throwing around a swim dinger and he had a couple hits. But after the first hour or two, it got really tough with the wind, if I'm being honest. I didn't bring any gloves, so it made it really challenging, honestly. But we tried our best and we gave it our best shot. So we had a, you know, fun time fishing. We were able to get up and fish the dam, and you know, I actually almost had another fish, but as I was reeling him in, he got off right before I got him out of the water. I think it was definitely a panfish. I'm not sure if it was a perch or a bluegill or a crappie. It looked kind of orange, so I'm not sure. Anyways, this week I don't really have any plans. I'll probably be getting out a little bit. Hopefully I'll get the GoPro and make some clips for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to fill you guys in on our day. I'm pretty grateful that I caught those fish today. Again, with the rain the past couple of days, it's been tough with the post frontal and just trying to get the fish to bite. So, yep, just wanted to fill you in on our day. Really good time. And if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment. As always, keep casting.